Welcome to the Carwstar channel. If you don't subscribe here on the channel and leave your like.
When we started thinking about the next frontier, this was another one of these very great project, very heavy burden, because as everyone knows, Frontier has been around for a while, and it's a great vehicle. But the world has changed dramatically, and the role of this mid-sized pickup truck has also changed, where much more it's about a lifestyle, this sense of adventurous spirit, and a new redesigning and redefining of the Frontier was our opportunities. Even though we wanted a sense of athleticism, still the hood is coming off so remarkably horizontal. And again, the face is so brutally vertical. But at the same time, there are many intricate movements. So for instance, like on Pathfinder, the fender flips around and locks into the two signatures, again, bringing this blend of technology and adventure. And our new interlocking grille, which is on Titan and which is on the Frontier, which represents the frame of the vehicle holding on to the engine. And of course, a little bit playful in our attitude about naming. So the Frontier is embossed in the grille, also bringing in some cues of our wonderful Titan. We raised the rear bed significantly. We also created this interlocking rear combination lamp that is chiseled into the rear fender. And when you open the doors to the Frontier, you'll see that also we took this sense of athletic gear or extreme gear for rock climbing and things like that to another level, where the elements themselves are quite rugged and a lot of grab handles and things like that. But on the other side, that you have a full display that's digital, and this mixing of digital and rugged elements is very much connected to our customer who lives that mostly on the weekends, but they live and dream about that.
Nissan's proud and extensive history with pickup trucks dates to 1959, when we introduced the first compact pickup truck of its kind in the U.S. And the pickup has been a cornerstone of Nissan's lineup ever since. That's more than 62 years. But what is a pickup? For our customers, it's not just a way to get from point A to point B, but a key partner in their lives for work and play. And the all-new 2022 Nissan Frontier will give even more to the customer. We spent a lot of time with Frontier customers, and they told us they loved Frontier's size and nimbleness. Frontier remains a true, right-sized mid-size truck, about the same size as the previous model. Also, and this is no surprise, power is important to our customers. Featuring a standard 3.8-liter V6 engine, Frontier produces best-in-class 310 horsepower. Matched to the engine is a 9-speed automatic transmission, which is designed to maximize efficiency and provide strong acceleration. And of course, it's available in two-wheel drive or with a proven shift-on-the-fly four-wheel drive system. Of course, towing is important. To make sure our customers can pull whatever they need, Frontier's maximum towing capacity is a full 6,720 pounds, with trailer sway control now standard on all models. And a new suspension and steering system provide the Frontier best level ride and handling. But there's more. Our customers want usable high-tech features. All new for 2022 and a first on any Nissan vehicle. Intelligent around view monitor with off-road mode. As you can imagine, this system is perfect for negotiating tight canyon crawls or trails. Inside is a sanctuary, our true cut above, and what's going to wow our customers. An available 9-inch touchscreen display, the largest in class, the perfect size to display the canyon crawling views from the intelligent around view monitor. And all Frontier trim levels feature standard Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Wi-Fi, wireless smartphone charging, and a 9-speaker Fender Premium audio system are also available. all useful for work and play. The interior design is modern and functional, and our customers tell us that storage is absolutely critical. So we responded with 4 liters of center console storage. That's almost double the size of most mid-size pickups. Our proven zero-gravity seat technology is now standard on Frontier. These seats are life changers for those long drives. Now, to give drivers peace of mind, 2022 Frontier trucks have Nissan Safety Shield 360 available on all trim levels, as well as 8 standard airbags. Now, I've gone fast, and I know that there's so much more to cover. I'll end with this for now. The 2022 Frontier sets the new standard for the midsize truck segment, making life easier, more fun, and more versatile for any adventure. And it goes on sale later this summer. Hi, I'm Jared Haslam, Vice President of Product and Services Planning here at Nissan North America. My team and I are the voice of the customer, and our job is to know what Nissan customers want and work to make sure their voices are heard in the products we create. For 35 years, Pathfinder has been one of Nissan's best known and most loved models, so customers have a lot to say. We've taken their feedback to heart while developing the 2022 Pathfinder, which is all new from the ground up. The all-new Pathfinder is just right for a generation of outdoor enthusiasts who are ready for adventure, who seek power, comfort, connectivity, and safety. Let me show you how, starting with the pairing of the standard 284 horsepower, 3.5-liter V6, and an all-new 9-speed automatic transmission. You'll feel a dramatic improvement the very moment you first hit the gas pedal. This new dynamic combination provides smooth and direct access to power whenever you need it. It just feels confident and strong. Pathfinder's intelligent 4-wheel drive system has a new 7-position drive and terrain mode selector, including snow, sand, and mud settings, helping you tackle adventures with even more confidence. The drive and terrain mode selector also features a tow mode when you want to take advantage of Pathfinder's best-in-class 6,000-pound towing capacity. And our Pathfinder customers do tow a lot. To help them, trailer sway control is standard on every single Pathfinder. That'll give you more confidence when towing boats, ATVs, campers, or trailers. And a completely new electric power steering system provides confident handling with that sporty Nissan feel that our customers love. Of course, wherever your adventures lead, you want to stay connected. When we spoke to Pathfinder owners, we looked at what they were expecting when it comes to connectivity, driver assistance, and safety technologies. We're delivering them our best, including Pro Pilot Assist with NaviLink, which takes some of the stress out of driving, especially in heavy traffic or on long road trips. A large, fully customizable digital dashboard, as well as a new head-up display to help keep the driver's eyes on the road. And for both drivers and passengers, a large 9-inch center touchscreen display, giving access to the standard Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, available wireless Apple CarPlay and Wi-Fi hotspot, as well as a Bose premium audio system with 13 speakers. And wherever you go, in town or on a long, far-flung adventure, you want to find your way safely home. We've made Nissan Safety Shield 360, which includes the most sought-after safety features, standard across the lineup. Plus, the all-new Pathfinder offers standard, class-exclusive, intelligent forward collision warning that can sense one car ahead of the vehicle in front of you. This brief introduction just scratches the surface of this thrilling-to-drive, rugged, all-new 2022 Pathfinder, which goes on sale this summer.
Welcome to the Carwstar channel. If you don't subscribe here on the channel and leave your like.